by.Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. October 29th, 2018. This month is almost gone. November, right round the corner. My month. November 2018, right round the corner. That's my month, my birthday month, my Thanksgiving month. I'm gonna let y'all see me out here getting my walk on, my exercise on this October 29th, 2018, Monday morning, about 6 a.m. Look cool out here, about 58 degrees here in Jacksonville, Florida. Just a look cool. Got my stick with me, you know. Yeah, I'm out here getting my little exercise on, walking. Like I say, just to look cool. You can see how got on shorts. Getting my walk on, my exercise on. Got my little stick, you know, I gotta have my little stick. You don't know, people, dogs, animals, people, you know, bad things going on out here in the world. Whew. Walk fast now, I begin to run. I'll start running in a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna start running in a minute. I run, jog a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I do all that. Then I do my other exercise at home, you know, lifting weights. Y'all seen that video. Subscribe to my videos. Subscribe to all my videos so I can keep making them. I'm running. Jake Locksmith, Services, Jacksonville, Florida.